Hey guys, what's going on? Courtney Moon. Give us a call, 770-436-1200. Ask for Courtney, set up an appointment. Hey guys, I wanted to show you this 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat. It's a four-wheel drive. It's got the Fx4 package. It is a V8 5.0 engine. Sorry, I can't sit still. I'm so excited about this one. So I love this Sport Appearance package because for me personally, I think it's so amazing having the same color grille. It looks really sleek, and I personally, it's my preference. Take a look at the outside here. We've got the 20-inch 6-spoke aluminum wheels. Like I said, we have the Fx4 package. Did I mention it's a Lariat? I can't remember. Check out the inside, guys. Get your memory settings, electric windows, electric mirrors. You have blind side assist, so you have the bliss on here. What a beauty. We've got auto start stop, of course, and the trailer tow packaging. Heated and cooled seats. Leather perforated. Of course, we've got our box that locks. Charging stations here. Recharging's here. The capability of your seats can all go up like this one or down. You have your electric window there. And let's check it out. All sorts of capabilities here. Sirius XM. You've got Bluetooth. You're gonna have Ford Pass on this vehicle, which gives you the ability to start and stop your car from anywhere in the world from your phone. You also can unlock your door. So if you're out of town and you want to leave a package in a vehicle for someone, you can unlock it when they let you know that they're at your house or wherever they're at. You can see your gas gauge, you can see your mileage, your tire pressure. You get a few oil changes with that for free, and you're able to locate your vehicle anywhere in the world up to 3 feet in range. So nobody's ever going to be able to get away with stealing your car. Anyhow, this is a beauty. We also use this one at the Braves games. So if you watch the games and you see a red, it's this one. All right, guys, give me a call, 678-949-049.